In this video, I'm going to show you how to remove the background from a GIF image on CapCut in just a few simple steps. This is a quick and useful edit if you want your GIF to blend better into your video, create a cleaner, transparent look, or make your content look more professional without spending a lot of time. If this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more easy CapCut guides. Let's jump right in. First, open your CapCut project and make sure your GIF image is already imported into the timeline. Once it's on the timeline, click on the GIF image so it becomes selected. This is important because the editing options on the right side will only appear for the clip you choose. After selecting the GIF, look over to the right panel in CapCut. Here, you should see an option called Remove BG. Click on Remove BG to open the background removal settings. This tool is designed to help you remove unwanted backgrounds from your GIF and isolate the main subject more cleanly. Once the Remove BG panel opens, you'll want to enable auto removal. Turn that on, and CapCut will automatically begin detecting and removing the background from the GIF image for you. Depending on the complexity of the image, it may take a moment to process, but once it's done, your GIF should appear without the background. Now take a quick look at the preview to make sure the result looks clean and accurate. If the background wasn't removed perfectly, you can usually fine-tune the result by checking the clip again or adjusting the placement in your project. But in most cases, auto removal works really well for simple GIFs and gives you a transparent style look in just seconds, and that's it. You've successfully removed the background from a GIF image in CapCut. It's fast, easy, and a great way to improve the look of your edits. If this video helped, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next CapCut tutorial.